Hello, this is Eric. Today we are going to show you our horsetail hair factory and goat hair. Now follow me, I will show you the workshop. You see, this is our factory. There are workshop of wash and comb and package. I will show you one by one. This is our material warehouse. It's stock of the materials. We buy a lot of materials so we can give you a good quality and a good price and fast delivery time. We buy 300 or 400 tons per time, so we have enough stock to. These are raw materials. We not pick it up yet. White, black, and you see it's very dirty. We did not pick it up yet. Later we will pick it up by color, and I will show you later. This is another warehouse of the materials. It's still raw materials. You see, we open the bag and put it on the ground. It's many of the colors: white, black, and brown. It's still not washed yet, still dirty. We put it on the ground, and the workers will pick it up by colors. See, this is black, this is brown, this is white, and the workers will pick it up by their hand. So it costs the time. But to make sure you receive the good materials, we have to do that. It's necessary. After we wash the hair, we put it in the ground and dry it. You know why we have to wash it? Because it's very dirty. It also has the sweat. If you don't wash it clear, and the sweat will be very sticky. So we wash it and put it in the ground and dry it. We use the car exclusion it to make it clean, because it's in China it's winter. We usually wash it in the autumn. So now we just show you the process. Later we will show you some pictures. This is our steam box. We will wash and steam it. After we dry and steam the hair, now the next process is to comb the hair. You see, we comb it very carefully to make sure it's clean. All our workers are having at least 30 years experience of producing horsehair. This is a final process. It's our packaging warehouse. You can see that our workers cut the hair, and the workers comb the hair and put it into the cartons. This is the finished products we are going to export to Europe, to USA, to Japan. You see, these cartons, the thickness is thick, so it can protect the products very well. It won't be broken. And we use this cardboard to protect the products. Okay. Usually, one carton is 25 kilograms, and the glue weight is 27. Double joint, very clean. Double joint, very clean. The quality is good. No short hair. You know, our factory was established 40 years ago. We now have customers all over the world. If they have any quality problems, we can 100% responsible for you. No one complain about us.